Okay, so this is activity XY01 and uh, okay, so my strategy is to draw this L or Z uh, cross section here and revolve it. Okay, so let's go and start with the part file. So let's start with the part file and I'll call it, what is that, XY01. Say okay. Immediately save it, file, save management, save as, yep, in that folder, we say okay. Now on that vertical plane, I will sketch this shape. This is kind of a Z, almost a Z shape object. So let's do that. So something like this. Let's not worry about these holes right now. So I'll go like this, like so, and we will clean it up. Okay. Uh, yeah. Okay. Let's zoom in for a second. So I want to revolve this thing about that axis, right? About that. Why don't we put some dimensions here so that these things make sense? One thing is, well, let's bring this thing here and put it on that. Control, coincident. Okay, good. And what else do we have? These dimensions. Let me see now. This is 1 inch. What do we do this thing first? The distance from here to that is half of 16 inches. So dimension from here to there is, oh wow, 8 inches. No problem. And dimension from here to here is 3. So dimension from here to here is 3. No problem. Because this is not dimension, I can just drag it and take it there. Okay, so far so good. And let's see now, some of these things we know, like this one is 1 inch. This is 1 inch. Okay, what else do we know? This thing is 5 inches. So let me do the following. What is it that we have here? Hang in there. So this is 5 inches. So let me see. This was a bad way of doing it, but anyway, I'm kind of stuck. Let me do this dimension. Okay. And what is 5 inches? From that point to this line, I believe is 5 inches. That's what or is that right? This distance, which is 5 inches. So from here to here, 5 inches. getting better. So what else do we have here? It's this thing that we want. So that distance is 4.5 minus 3, 1.5. So this dimension is 1.5. From there to there, it's 1.5. Okay, so the moral of the story is that by hooks or by crooks, you've got to draw this. I haven't done anything about these circles yet, and I'm going to do that, but later. So exit, exit, and revolve it about that axis, or shaft it about this axis. Or you can put this thing here, what is that? Uh, about right click, what is that, y-axis? Yep, there we are. Okay, now on that face, I will sketch a circle of radius, this radius, what is that? This radius is diameter 4. So I'm going to draw a circle, diameter 4, exit, and pocket it, make it more. Okay, that's this. Now, on that face, I will sketch. I want to draw a circle that is actually, what is that? How many inches away? Which is that much away, and that much is 6 inches. So let me draw a circle here. For example, there. Can be anywhere, it doesn't have to be necessarily there. And the dimension, first of all, the diameter of that is 2 inches. 2 inches. Good. And the dimension from this point to that point is, we agreed it was 6. 6. Exit. Pocket. And I want to pattern this thing. I want to create a pattern, circular pattern. So here is the pattern. This, open it up. This is a circular pattern. So I want a complete crown. Okay. 4 of them. The reference element is that face. In other words, going to pattern it like that. And I don't want the whole thing to be patterned, but I want the pocket, this pocket, just this pocket, which we can select it from the tree. That's it. And then we say, okay, there we are. So what you've got is what you see here. Okay, good. And there are a zillion ways of doing this problem. So let me save this thing and stop recording.